Hello, I'm Damieka from Bali. I'm a cosplayer from Bali, Indonesia. I started cosplaying since 2012 in Gorilla Buana, the event that I was attended first. I think I knew about cosplays from a Facebook, from a Bandung and Jakarta cosplayer. And at that time, I really adore them because they are really fun. They gather a lot of people in a one event, and at that time, Bali doesn't have really huge event as them. So yeah, it started me to really like cosplaying. The character that I'm cosplaying today is SP Guardian Lume from Omnioji Mobile Games. And this character is actually my first DPS on Omnioji Mobile Games. The first thing that I really like from this character is the design. And furthermore, I really like to make it in a cosplay, like making costume. Everything I wore today is from my hand, from wig styling, costume, also this property, and also thankful for Adibeka and Multika for helping me to make this cosplay photo shoot happen today.